Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We know that cos x equals to this one. Now we need to transform this one into this one. So if we want to find the arc length, we need to find first the derivative of y, and we have sin x. Now we can apply the formula in here. So we have the integration from a to b, and we have the square root of 1 plus first derivative of y to the power of 2 dx. Now this one we change by this one. A we change by number 0. B we change by number 2. And now 1 plus sin s square we change by cos s square. And this one we have cos s. The integration of cos s, we have sin s, and we put the bounds from 0 to number 2. And now we have the final answer. So we have 3.627, and that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.